Despite the rising tide of deglobalization and protectionism, China has remained committed to advancing high-quality development and high-standard opening up. The country has worked to expand institutional opening up, reduce restrictions on foreign investment, and improve the business environment, providing promising prospects for foreign investors.
I believe with the opening up and with providing transparent and fair business environment, this will also in the future attract again foreign investors to invest their capital here in the Chinese market. I think for foreign invested companies, we have to have a very, very close look on China's rapid development and all the innovation, very, very fast innovation, what is going on here. So of course we have to catch up with that.
China is big enough. We are very optimistic that the markets will rebound strongly in the next couple of years. We are investing quite a lot in R&D, in our talents and so on.
In the first 10 months of 2023, the number of newly established foreign invested enterprises in China increased by 32.1% year-on-year. Experts believe that China, through wider opening up, would not only push forward its high-quality development, but also create broad opportunities for the world.
I think for the opening up of China and the huge success of Chinese development, let's say the amazing success in the last 45 years or so, was also great for the foreign companies. They make a very good business, they make a lot of revenues. So that was a great opportunity for the world economy, but also for European companies. Now for foreign companies, China as a sales market with the huge well-funded middle class who can spend money has become more important.
China is opening up policy. China is integrated with the rest of the world. China is signing the more FTAs with the different countries. So under these reform process or under these initiatives, we can expect that China will make good progress. And Chinese investment decisions and Chinese cooperation with the other countries play important role and can give momentum to the economic activity of the rest of the world.